Veg Club Sandwich recipe. Watch the full video for the recipe. It is really tasty and delicious. Take a bowl. Put in chopped cucumber, chopped onion, chopped carrot. Put chopped tomato. Put red capsicum, yellow capsicum and green capsicum. Put chopped green chilli. Add pepper powder. Add chaat masala. Put 2 spoons of mayonnaise. You can add more if you want. Here we are making a triple layer sandwich, so obviously you should have 3 pieces of bread. Put ketchup on all the 3 pieces of bread. Spread it around. Put little bit of mayonnaise on all the 3 pieces of bread and spread it around. Add in the vegetable filling. Here put it for only 2 pieces. Add grated cheese. Now put 1 bread piece on another and close it. Put butter on the top piece. Now switch on your stove and place your pan. Put butter. Put the bread piece on it. While flipping it, make sure to be careful as the filling might come out. You can add extra butter if you want. This is a really simple and healthy recipe. This is a perfect recipe, crispy on the outside and crunchy in the inside because of the vegetables and creamy because of the mayonnaise and the cheese. Your Veg Club sandwich is now ready to serve. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.